Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In this lesson, you will learn the basics of how to manipulate slide objects in PowerPoint. These techniques can be applied to shapes, text boxes, placeholders, pictures, and many other types of selected objects. To select a slide object in PowerPoint, click it. For text-containing objects, clicking its border makes the border appear as a solid line, which indicates the object is in its object editing mode. Alternatively, you can click into the text inside the text-containing object to place it into text editing mode, which is shown by a dashed border and by the insertion mark cursor then appearing within the text. To select text within a text-containing object in PowerPoint, click and drag over the text in the object to select. To resize a selected object in PowerPoint, place your mouse pointer over one of the 8 white circles called resizing handles that appear around the perimeter of the object's border. When you place your mouse pointer over one, the mouse pointer turns into a double-pointed arrow. Click and drag in either direction shown by the arrow to resize the object in that direction, making it larger or smaller. Then release the mouse button when it is the desired size. To move a selected object, place your mouse pointer over its border anywhere where there is not a resizing handle. The mouse pointer icon then appears as a 4-pointed arrow when in the correct location. At that point, click and drag to move it to a new location and release the mouse button. Alternatively, if you have selected a slide object in its object editing mode, you can also move it using the arrow keys on your keyboard. To nudge a selected object by using your keyboard keys when the selected object is in its object editing mode in PowerPoint, hold down the Control key on your keyboard. Then press the desired arrow keys. When finished, release the Control key. To delete a selected slide object in PowerPoint when it is in its object editing mode, press the Delete or Del key on your keyboard. However, note that if the object is a text-containing object that is instead in its text editing mode, then pressing the Delete or Del key only deletes selected text in the object or deletes the character to the right of the insertion mark cursor in the object's text. So it is important to note which mode is active when you delete a text-containing slide object in PowerPoint.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.